Hey guys, so today I'm going to unbox something I got from Amazon, which I would assume is my keyboard ordered, and the USB hub, I would assume, came with this as well. Hopefully, opens up, and there you go. It's other way around, and yeah, it's like to fucking get out of there. So we ordered this thing, right out, paper, fuck it, and finally this thing. And the rest of the box is completely empty. Okay, so right here we got a it's open, paper knife, boss, got a USB hub, so I can carve all my stuff in. I got some extra cartridges, fuck it, why not? And finally we have been waiting for so long. The Logitech G710 Cherry MX Blue keyboard. So it's Cherry MX, no shit Sherlock, and it's like bruh, it's amazing. Got for like around 80 or 90 bucks on Amazon, and here it is. I have no idea how to open this. I'm assuming open it from the side. Okay, let's go cut this open. And then you can try this out. Rip. It doesn't come out. Rip. And here we go. Careful. Nothing else left in the box here. Okay. Finally have this thing. Finally gonna cut it open. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. And here it is. Logitech G710 keyboard. Bruh, that feels amazing. And what's this? I have no idea what that is. Wait, so. Okay, there we go. And what else we have in here? The wrist rest over there. The manual. Some safety shit no one cares about. And there we go. Let's try to get this out of the packaging. There we go. Alright, go bro. Out of packaging. I'm gonna do a freaking test. Then why are you no open? There we go. And here we go. I find the wrist rest. And you get out. You touch it. Okay, so we shove this on there, I would assume. I don't know how. I'm gonna try to put it on. You know what? Let's do it. Put it on later. Too much work. And it feels amazing. Do some typing with one hand. Yeah, amazing. 10 out of 10.